Gwedde nga guggwako mu luwummula olusembayo Natumanya Mbabazi yafiirwa maama we.
My mom got some misunderstandings with my father. Then she went to her brother and to get some rest of mind. Then when she reached there, she spent like 3 weeks. Then they called us that she's not in good conditions. They called my father to send some money for her. Then when my father was struggling to get that money, it's when she died.
Okufa kwa nyina abooluganda bakwekuusa ku kitaawe era gye byaggweera ng'asibiddwa.
By the time we buried her, he was not around. My relatives, they are the ones who struggled to get everything for the burial. Then these uncles of mine from my mother's side, they came. They said that they should arrest him because he is the one who had killed her, their child.
Mu kutegeeza ab'essomero yakubira mukwano gwe Nuwamanya Medard.
Nara message eri kugira ngwino wafeegwa mama we. Nayebuuza atogunowa nkantine airtime so nkaborowinga araine ya Airtel nateera nashanga Natumanya Mbabazi ari kumanyisya ngu mama we yafa.
Bwe yafuna omukisa okwogerako eri abakongobazi era n'asaba buli alina kyalina ayambe bamulekwa basome.
Naja hati mwena mulyamuliro nimureba abaana abo bino obusaasi bw'amaani nyina waabo yafa ishe waabo tarumatoro kiromuka minzi tinorakora ki orabayambe kugira ngu bashoma. So mwine kubayamba esente ezimu kutwara mu bara kuza kunywaho making sure wagura ekitabo wakora ki wasomesa.
Ng'amaliriza okwogera amyuka omukulu w'essomero naye yayogera kyokka ekyamujja enviiri ku mutwe bwe butakona ku kyakusoma kwa Mbabazi.
Nawura nashasha omutima naja ati mbwenu bwarabe batamuyambira omwana ogu naza kwegatta.
Mbabazi obulamu bwatandika okukyuka nga tamanyi wa fees gye zinaava.
Though my brother was struggling to pay for me and even my sisters were they also wanted fees.
Ng'okuziika kuwedde Nuwamanya yalaba Mbabazi tadda ku ssomero n'amubuuza ogubadde. Kye yakola kwe kwogera n'amyuka omukulu w'essomero bayambe Mbabazi adde ku ssomero.
So when I talked with them, they said, let Natumanya Mbabazi come back to school. We are going to pay for her a half bursary.
Ng'akomyewo era yabeeranga mu kwennyika olw'ebirowoozo by'okufa kwa maama we era mukwano gwe Nuwamanya n'amuwa amagezi okwegatta ku nteekateeka ya Good School mu ssomero lyabwe aba Raising Voices gye baleeta.
It's why they advised me to join these clubs like debating clubs, scripture unions in order to get peace of mind.
And they convinced him, advising him, giving him counseling and guidance. Now the girl settled.
Nuwamanya agamba nti obuvumu okwogera n'abakulu mu ssomero lino yabujja ku nteekateeka eno emufudde omwana ateekwatakwata.
Raising Voices, it is the one that built me that spirit in my heart, because I even thank Madam Roy. She's a right person because she have good words that can build to develop self-esteem.
Obuweereza bw'okuyamba abayizi okubeera mu ssomero naddala abawala tabukoze mu ssomero ly'asomera wokka erya St. Paul Seed Senior School.
I have come with an organization. It is about advising students to have good discipline, and you advise them to make sure they don't feel fear in the community or in the school.
Ono era ayogera n'abasomesa obutakozesa kibooko okugonjola abayizi wabula okwogera nabo.
Their school they used canes to cane child, and the good school doesn't need that one. So I went there I asked for books, cartoon booklets, and I went there, we discussed with the teachers, and I said caning, it is not the solution to make a student to pass.
We use some positive discipline like timeout, referral, then we don't suspend. So now the learners currently, they are feeling at home because there was harassment in terms of kindness.
I have benefited from the positive discipline. We have been cancelled. According to me, I have been sometimes I was indisciplined, but now I'm disciplined.
When the teacher tells me about gender and I see I'm not discriminated from girls, I study with them, I make consultations with them, so I see that good school is working.
Nuwamanya akubiriza n'abayizi naddala mu ssomero ly'asomero erya St. Paul Seed Senior erisangibwa ku kyalo Nyabweya mu muluka gwe Nyabweya mu ggombolola y'e Kasende Kabarole okuyambagananga okulaba nga buli omu asigala mu ssomero.
You may find I have like 10 pens for you don't have. Then when you don't have, when I have, I need to give you such that even you can study.
Abakubiriza n'obuteetuulako singa wabawo embeera gye bayitamu.
Maybe I have a problem of a disease, but the teachers, they are no longer know that the problem I have. So as a student, I need what I need to do. I need to go to the teacher responsible, or a class teacher or the HM, and I say, this student, he has a problem.
Mbabazi ayagala kubeera engineer singa teyali Nuwamanya essuubi lyali limuweddemu.
I pray God that I should be helped and I get my opportunity.
Mu kwongera okwagaliza abayizi okusoma, Christopher Kabagamba omusomesa ku St. Paul Seed Senior School agamba nti ng'oggyeko ensoma erambikiddwa waliwo enteekateeka endala mwe bayita okulaba ng'essomero linyumira abayizi.
Because with good school it helps a learner, especially for example like girls, we are having like plays, drama, debates. So like those debates, they help the learner, especially when we talk about domestic violences. It teaches them how to handle the domestic violences. Then sexual harassment within a school. So a learner gets idea how to overcome those sexual harassment within the school and outside the school.
Agamba tibakyalina ekizibu ky'abazadde okuba abavulunkupe ekiviiriddeko ennyo abayizi okuva mu ssomero.
For example, you cannot invite a parent here to come and attend this meeting when they are not financially supported. Then we have learners who cannot afford even to pay a single coin.
Omwana okusigala mu ssomero buvunaanyizibwa bwa muzadde, omusomesa n'omuyizi yennyini. Enkya tugenda kulaba abawala bennyini abaliko kye bakoze okulaba nga bannaabwe basigala mu ssomero. Susan Nanyanzi, Agafeeyo ku Spark TV.